join Freddie in his world of color.
Hi, I'm Freddie from AT Nursery and welcome to my world of color. Today I'd like to talk to you about petunias, one of my favorite varieties that just explode with color. They can be planted all year round with a petunia for every occasion. This is a carpet petunia, a compact variety, and as the name suggests, it spreads like a carpet and so is great to be used as a ground cover. The Petunia Picobella is a true miniature petunia that forms little mounds of small flowers throughout the summer. It is perfect for small spaces and is tolerant for both cold and wet weather, hot days and high light conditions. A great option for pots and fairy gardens. The Petunia Circus Sky has to be one of my favorites and is sure to be the main attraction on your patio this summer. This unique variety has a long-lasting display of pink flowers with white markings. Every flower has a unique pattern. It is a branching petunia variant that will cascade over the sides of baskets, containers, and window boxes. A strong and hardy grower that you can rely on to create a central feature that will last all summer. As all petunia varieties are long flowering annuals, give them the best start in your garden with well-composted soil that will help them with root development. Also plant them in an area where they will get at least 5 hours of sunlight every day. And try to protect young seedlings against snails and slugs and shelter them with frost cover if frost is expected. Remove yellowing leaves at the base of the plant to prevent diseases and remove spent flowers to encourage more and more flowers. Water regularly when first planted and reduce to once a week after seeing active growth. Petunias don't like waterlogged soil. Water the soil and not the foliage to prevent damaging buds and flowers. Don't forget, we've made it really easy. All the information you need is on the label. And remember, in good times and bad times, flowers bring moments of joy.